Okay, we're back. We're gonna hop right in. We ended up finishing floor one. Pretty okay, did good stuff. I'm not really too impressed with the relics we got or even the cards. Like it's kind of an interesting run to pilot, considering the lack of good things acquired, but we're gonna make do. We're on Ascension 2, so let's get going. Floor 2 is a little interesting. We get a little bit more interesting enemies, like a lot of debuffs that happen, especially in this forested part. Swap your hand with the draw. This is the one where, yeah, I don't want to use this. I mean, yeah, this is a good one to draw because I can exhaust it with this and get 2 more energy. Does it give me? Okay, it just gives me like basic mana. So we will obviously shoot him. Get rid of a health bar. Use the 1 die, of course, which will in turn, I think, give me a card. Whenever you cast a card with loaded ammo, gain 3 power. Applying weak, this is the one. And it's a miracle because I forgot when yeah, you know what I mean. We kill this one, use this one, use this, exhaust, 2 more energy. We can do. I mean, Battle of Wits would just do 12, because I don't want to get rid of Discernment. 12, so 16 total damage. Yeah, I think that works. I hate to get rid of this one, but and I can use a crossbow to even ruin him even more. I could actually just ruin this guy without taking any damage at all. Wait, it's too late. I have to do it. I forgot. You can't go back on it. Okay. Turn 1 is, I mean, ending a battle with just 1 turn. That's huge. Deal 5 damage to an enemy or gain 4 block. Has a remain keyword, which is a bummer. Don't need any of that. Like, I mean, it's free, but like, I don't use these. I mean, other than the water. I feel like a toolbox is pretty good. It's just the remain keyword is a bummer. It's just free 2 block and potentially energy. This is also free. Twice. Let's mess around with attack plan. I've seen it pop up before, which means we can dump a block. Let's dump the purple block. More often than not, we need blue, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, so yeah, cutting cards is good. Get 1 strike. Get strike times 1. Gain good strike. What is good strike? 20 damage. Omni strike 5 damage to a random enemy. Repeat 5 times and gain evasion. Holy cow, man! No more strike learning. Hesitation. I have to pick one. Oh man, I get 4 strikes though. That's not, no. I mean, that's great, but this is better. Omni Strike is huge, but like, there's no way I'm gonna look. There's not even, unless some of these questions allow me to cut cards. There's literally no more way for me to cut a card unless I go all the way back to here. So yeah, I think that was a good choice. What's this one gonna do? Struggle to get out, lose 7, gain equanimity. Fortified's okay. Climb up a tree, move from tree to tree, gain exhausted, gain agile. What does the map look like? I can't look at the map? Okay. It is a while before a campfire shows up. Exhausted is, it's just, a card that shows up that's gross. So, yeah, 7 HP, maybe not the best call, but I don't want to gain 2 cards. Let's see. After paying, apply vulnerable to random enemy. Gain 2 block. Only be triggered 3 times per combat. After using 1 die, draw cards. Only be triggered 2 times. This one is good. Weaker enemies, I mean, it's basically like doing damage to them. Gain a special relic. Leave. Pay 6 for a special relic? Yeah. That's what I got last time. I did this one. When you gain block, instead gain equal amount of evasion. Oh, brother. Evasion checks are tough. Although I do have this one, huh? That always adds 8 to the result for... Is it check cards? Oh, check keyword or card effects related to checks. Go to the shop for my 1 gold. That's great. I'm not even gonna look. I don't want to get upset. Kind of cruising through this. Okay. Now we're getting into the good stuff. Oh, not Skull Bro or whatever his name is. When you play a temporary card. Yeah. Skeleton Bro. So he needs to lose a head. Useless. I think I need to do this. I mean, he gets full health. He'll lose a skull. I need to space this out right, because... So I guess I'm glad he got this, although he is vulnerable. Let's do this, man. So he gets a head back. Now I should use both of these, because that'll end the combat. Again, Actually, it's too late. I have to do it, don't I? No. Man. Whatever, I guess let's do this. He's very vulnerable, that's why I don't really want to mess around with it. So he gains, I like gotta get rid of him on this round. Gain 2 block. This becomes a miracle too, huh? But we'll do this one. When drawn, gain 3 fortified. Man. I mean, yeah, this will... Tactical reload showing up is amazing. We obviously use it. Loading this. I mean, this... I don't want to use the ammo. We can get rid of this one. Yeah. Huge. Oh, unstable portal. Yeah, this is better because it kind of synergizes with the ladder card. I forget what it's called, but what does this one do again? Oh, right. I just don't get it. Good strike, actually? Well, it'll show up in the next one. Attack plan not being a miracle is a bummer. Draw 4 cards. I think we use this. Oh, nice. Wait. 2 turns, cards. Okay. I hate this card, man. It's useless. Heal 3. I'll get to use this. 4 damage to the enemy 4 times. Yeah. I love the sound of the hit marker, like Call of Duty hit marker. Yeah, we want to... Well, no mana sucks. Especially when I'm gonna get hit a bunch. But... I guess... I could do... I want to remove... So I was thinking about just getting rid of health on this dude, because this does 4 damage to everybody. He'll take more. This guy is going to take more than 4. But I need this guy's focus to... break. I can't be having that. I can't go for that. That's not enough. That's too much. Would have loved for these to be free. I could cheese it for gold. Screw it, why not? Man, I want to take some damage here. 3 and... Ouch. Well, that's the way she goes, I guess. Confidence is good. Oh man, I feel like drawing confidence would be nice. Just because it'll apply vulnerability, which I just need them to be weak. He's the one I wanted as well. Broke his focus. His focus will go at the end of the turn, so that's fine. Getting reconsidered would be nice. It's not a miracle though, so I don't really want to bother with it. Let's change. With the draw pile? Wow, for 2 cards? That is not useful. I honestly think this is the move. Because I can use the 1 die to get this guy a little weaker. What a dice roll. And he's vulnerable. Dial delivery is huge. Oh man, this is actually a good card to get, especially since it's free. Doing a bunch of damage to everybody. Crossbow showing up is great. Dicify. Can get rid of you. Didn't pass his check. I mean, now I could reconsider. It's not a damn miracle, though. So it would be pointless. Crossbow. That's not what I wanted. Yeah. This is going to be a test here, okay? This is just going to be a test. This was a mistake. This was a horrible mistake. Oh, and the other one, I didn't know it was gonna do that. 20 damage. Yeah, might as well. Okay, Shockwave is good, Blunderbuss is good. This one's pretty good, especially whenever it uses, especially with the chip. No, that's not a check, is it? Yeah, there's no check in there. More ways to do damage is good. I thought this one... Oh, that's if you upgrade it, it gets a recall. It gets a recall keyword, so you can just keep using it. Oh, I didn't know there was a damn campfire here. I should have looked at that. Let's do the question mark. Obviously, I don't have any money, really. Thorns are good too. Gain 10 block, gain 8 thorn. Wow. Oh, these are some good cards. Gain glowberries. Ooh. Losing 6 HP. Ah, man. This is better, I think. Getting block plus thorn. They get damaged. More of an offensive one, huh? This one is better because it uses just basic. Like, the basic mana. Fortified is nice. Swap your hand with the draw pile. I don't want to do that. I got a decent stuff here. Maneuver would be nice, so I could use something else again. But we want to end this guy quick. This dude is so annoying. Not targeting this enemy. So I mean, I just have to like target him. But this dude applying slime and blind, and he ends up applying blind after 3 turns. Okay, so that gives me some time. So I think we use the crossbow on him. I hate him. The blunderbuss might work. Of course. Apply a weak. Okay, well, I'll be taking some damage here. I won't. I took 1. Battle of Wits, huge. Okay, Thorn Wall seems good. Good Strike seems very good as well. This wasn't a miracle. 10 block. Much as I hate to do it. Oh wow, he's cooked, man. He could potentially just do no damage to me, so I think it's time to mess with this other guy here. Although, discovering a card... It wouldn't work because I'd be out of mana. It's too bad that didn't end up being... He has some vulnerable. He freaking passed all of those checks, basically. Are you kidding me? The blind, man, freaking hate blind. It sucks that these cost money, or cost mana to reload it. It sucks. I should have probably upgraded them guys. Well, let's do a block. Let's do this. I end up with cards. Oh, right. Oh my god, I forgot about this dude. Okay, well, you can just die. What? Oh my god, a useless card, man. Just die. Oh my god. Bro, this blind is crazy. Like, I always lose the blind. When I have that debuff, I like always lose it. Without a shadow of a doubt. It's always gone. The whole turn was cooked because of blind. God, man, I feel like blind is just so OP. Well, at least I don't have blind anymore. Oh my god. That really kind of cheeses me off, man. You can go. You're pissing me off. Nice. I actually can use this. Gaining 10 block. Or I could do it. I can't do a good strike. Son of a... Okay. Go ahead, big fella. Freaking guy, man. Blind is so bad. Like, I feel like it's such... Oh, I probably always fail it because of the check. Because of the chip. Because this always adds 8 to whatever check. That is... I should not have taken that. Because if I get debuffs like this, I'm always gonna miss them. Well, I guess I should just put up block then. What can I draw? Battle of Wits. I could get reconsidered and just add even more energy. Got discernment back. Draw a card. You have 1. You have 1 HP, bro. If I miss this... That's right. Little boy. God. That was like so annoying. I was like getting really pissed off with the blind thing. Discover 1 junk card. Select up to 1 card from the discard pile. From the discard pile. I guess, I mean... Crossbows are great, man. It's just damage, but like I need to upgrade them. Alright, let's see. I don't need HP. Having die being charged would be good. It's also probably almost certainly gonna charge 6. Yeah. It got 1. Oh man. I guess I don't understand how this works. Can I afford to go back 3 times? And then also get these? No. Let's just send it. Forget what this guy is. Oh, right. Oh my gosh, man. When its own health bar is depleted. Made him weak. He's fortified. So really... Really, we don't want to do too much. I don't have that much. I have Battle of Wits, which is good, but like I don't have much damage. So he's extremely Like, he's extremely weak. I'm out of mana. Yeah, okay. I think we're gonna be... I might not make it through this one. This dude has a ton of health, man. Oh my god. He's got insane block. Discernment should be okay. Let's go ahead and exhaust this guy. I don't like it. It's kind of stupid. Good strike. It's pretty good. What the... What? 10? I mean, whatever. He's not gonna be doing much damage. I need to make sure he has no power, though. Oh, I should use this. Oh, right. He also has... Okay, I shouldn't be... Shh. Let's do this. Give me something good here. Coup de grace. Wow. Now that is a hell of a card. That's a... Check 17 though, man. It's quite a bit. So he's getting buffed up. He's gonna get buffed here, but I'm gonna use this guy to take away all of his buffs, man. Because it's... Look at this, man. Look at all these buffs. I can't even do anything. It's insane, man. 8 to 20 damage. I think I'm cooked. I think I'm gonna lose. Play a temporary card. Why does this one always show up, man? These are both useless cards. Gosh. Okay, I guess we're gonna mess around with his HP then. Kick 3, yeah. Okay, this is gonna cost 1, which is gonna use this. We're gonna use this one. Yeah, I can only do 3 anyway. Frickin'. I think I'm gonna die. I mean, he's only gonna do 20 damage to me. I have to use it. I'm not gonna use... I am gonna use it, dude. I can take away 3 of his health bars with just this. Persistent reactive when being attacked 3 times, deal damage 2 times. Jeez, man. Coup de grace. If only there was a way to guarantee some luck. I guess let's see. I mean, I guess let me lower some of his HP so he can get going. Get working on it. Free card. Take that. Deal 5 damage. Now draw 4. Let's just do it, man. I want to see what this does. Whoa. So he won't do any damage. I can attack him one more time. Plus I have 14, like, that's a lot. What is this, a check? Check 21? Yeah. This should do a lot. And then I need to end the turn. Coup de grace becomes cheaper? Oh, I need the, yeah, okay. Okay, so now, what 2 cards would I want to come back? Probably confidence and a crossbow. Or confidence and battle of wits. Oh my gosh, man. He is very vulnerable, dude. It's only gonna do 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 times 4. I think I can. I mean, yeah. This is the way to move. This is the way to go. I can tank it. Yeah, that's fine. It's kind of annoying that these evasion checks aren't working. What's he got now? So he doesn't do anything. 3 ammo. This. Well, it wasn't pretty, but I did it. So, what is this one? After you cast a temporary card, add a random mana? Come on, bro. Random mana? Gosh. Deal 5 damage for each time a miracle effect has been triggered in this combat. Each repetition deals additional 3 damage. I feel like I don't get enough miracles. Whatever. This one seems interesting. What do we got here? Cards you cast can't be countered. What? When you lose HP, gain 5 evasion. You can refresh the cards 1 additional time in the shop. I mean, that's great, but I think there's no point because it costs money. I don't really generate that much. This seems okay. What do we got now? Gain 2d4 block. Or is that d6? Can't remember. When an enemy's health bar is depleted, charge. That's not bad. It's an activation one, though. Bars 4, gain 16 tough. When an enemy's health bar is depleted. When being attacked, lose half of tough. Check. Add tough 1 to the final result. So halved damage with tough. I think this would synergize well with chip because it requires a check and it's going to add 8 to that check. So out of these two, yeah, I would say this is the better one. And I think we can... I hate removing buff. This one, like, this seems so good. You know? It just sucks that it doesn't, like, stack. I think there's a relic you can get that makes these charges, like, overlap and keep stacking. This is a tough one. This doesn't matter. I barely ever rest, so... I mean, it's a free 5 HP, I guess, which would be nice, but like I come across 2 campfires maybe per floor. Gaining tough seems cool, but it's just when an enemy's health bar is depleted. I mean, okay, let's do this one because it will help with, I can just cut block cards, you know? Let's see. We got this time. When you lose HP, just get money. 2 times per combat. Draw 2 cards. Can only be triggered 3 times. Oh man, increasing mana pool. I love battery. Or empty battery. That seems so good. But this one seems even better. It's just free money. And I should just prioritize going to the shop on the next floor. I don't know, man. Draw 2 cards. 2 times per combat. I mean, that's an extra 2 gold per combat if I lose HP. That kind of sucks, yeah, when you lose HP. I think this is better for... This is good for, like, getting money, sure, but, like, this helps in the combat. If I'm... Let's just do battery. It just seems... I don't know, it just seems better to do. I had plenty of time. I definitely could have gone back to do other things, but... Okay, well, we're on floor 3 again, fully healed. Let's have a look at what our path could be. We go up to cut cards. It's as simple as that. I think what we do is go right, up, all the way up to here. That's how we have to get up there anyway, I guess. And it's the best way to avoid as much combat. So we'll go here, here, up, here, down, right, and then down, right, down. Hopefully it allows us to go up. I mean, missing out on 2... Oh, wait, what am I talking about? This is way better. Up here, 2 relics. Upgrade, battle, shop. Nope, shop doesn't make sense. Upgrade, question, shop, heal. That would be 1 battle, huh? Okay. Alright, that's what we'll do next time. Yeah, I think this is good. I mean, so far it's been a little over 30 minutes each floor. That's pretty good. I think just having three videos per Ascension run, I guess, is okay. Just because these things just take a while. I just can't be... I'm just not at the point where I'm able to just blast through all of these and, like, know exactly what all the cards do yet. So, I think what we got going on is much better. I think this is a lot easier, more palatable times to watch videos. So yeah, I think we'll keep it at that. I mean, eventually, hopefully, I start getting faster the longer I play because I learn the cards better. So, I mean, just simple math will tell you that doing all 3 floors is going to be, at this rate, shorter than what I used to do. So I guess I am going a little faster than normal. So, anyway, we'll leave it at that. Like I said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll probably just turn right around, do it again. Just because the path we chose seems to be pretty quick. And what is our boss? I'm not sure. I don't think it really... doesn't really tell you. It's kind of hard to know what that is, so... Okay, we'll leave it at that. I hope this was a good time for y'all. I think I made some kind of foolish errors in the last few battles, but it is what it is. We still made it to floor 3, so I guess it's not that big of a deal. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I guess we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.